Hey YouTube family, I'm back with another mukbang. I know it's been a while since I did one, but I had to get everything situated. Today I got, you already know what it is, some Cajun fries. I got two, not one, but two spicy chicken sandwiches. I might not be able to eat all this, y'all. Let me I know I won't be able to eat all this. But I'm just trying to see what the hype is about. See what the hype is about. And I also got some coleslaw, y'all. I'm gonna try some coleslaw on it. Would you look at this? See a little sauce right there, y'all? Oh, look at it. Ain't it pretty? Anyways, y'all, what y'all been up to? I've been working. I don't want to talk that much, y'all, because this sandwich looks so good. Oh, they got extra sauce on it. I thought they had forgot it. Mm. 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 Now, I heard several times people say that it's so spicy. Or just too spicy. I heard someone say it's too spicy for them to eat. But I guess everyone's level of hotness that they can take is different because it's not hot to me. Let me test it with some of this coleslaw. This is my first time having Popeye's coleslaw, y'all. I usually get my coleslaw from churches or KFC. We're gonna see how it tastes on here. Right there. This is the bite I'm about to take, y'all. Right there. Mmm. I think I might be on to something. No, I think I'm on to something. I am on to something. I am on to something, y'all. So y'all get the spicy chicken sandwich from Popeyes and get you some coleslaw. If you like coleslaw, of course. Everybody not a fan of coleslaw, but I love coleslaw. Let me taste it by itself. Oh, it's just right. Okay. I'm gonna say something from other chicken sandwich. So I got two of them. I'm in heaven, y'all. It's not keto, but I had to see what the hype was about. When it was here the first time, I missed it because the lines was too long, and I wasn't gonna wait in the line for no hour or 30 minutes for this chicken sandwich. But if I knew it tasted like this, I would have been in that line. Y'all. Y'all. Mm. That piece of chicken. It's messy, but it's good. Y'all, I'm gonna start making more videos. I'm gonna try to do at least 2 a week, and then up it from there. I just be so busy with work and my daughter. And some good old cold white punch out. Yeah, I don't even know what to talk about. I can't even talk because I'm enjoying this chicken sandwich. I don't even know what to talk about. Y'all, leave me some comments or topics or something you want to talk about. Don't forget to subscribe and like. But leave me some topics in the comment section on which y'all want to talk about. Because when I get on here, I just want to enjoy my food. Y'all see my hair? My real hair is just popping. Look at that. I did it myself, y'all. I had been natural for 3 years. For 3 years. And I decided 3 months ago that I want a permanent. Permanent and cut it. I permed it and I got it cut. It done grew because I actually had it up here, y'all. It done grew a lot. I kind of miss my natural some days. I do. No lie. And I still got all my natural hair products. So, good thing I got a daughter that's natural so she can use them. Y'all don't know what y'all missing. Y'all. And I can tell you this. The line wasn't even long. It was just me and another car in line. Went right on up and got my 2 spicy chicken sandwiches. Get a bite. Bite it right there. Good, ain't it? But I can honestly say, y'all, when I do eat stuff like this that's not keto, I can't eat much of it. Now, when I'm doing keto, maybe because I don't have that many carbs in my meal and not as many calories, I can eat a lot of it. But with this, I still been losing weight though. Even with my cheat day. I'm not encouraging you to have a cheat day now. I'm just saying. I see what the hype is about. This sandwich is good. Very good. I do. I don't know if I still will wait in line that long for it, but I see what the hype is about. I don't blame you. Oh, look at that piece of chicken right there. Y'all see that? With that coleslaw on it and that spicy sauce. Mmm. Mmm. Everybody talk about how I eat so slow, and they be finished before me. Look, I like to enjoy my food. I'm gonna eat it slow, and I'm gonna taste every bite. Every bite. Mm. Mm. The last piece always be the best piece, and usually when I get down to the last bite, it's when my baby come and ask for some. But she at school now, so I could enjoy it all for myself. Mm. Okay. Just look at that. Mm. Let me slide a little closer for you. Mm. Yeah, 360 view of it. Mm. I like that fries, y'all. It kind of reminds me of rabbit fries a little bit. I don't know why they call it Cajun fries. I don't taste no Cajun at all, but they good though. Now this one, I want to cut it in half and let y'all see the middle of it. Put my coleslaw on first. Y'all see that? That coleslaw and that coleslaw juice. That's what's making it juicy. Mm. None gonna win. Okay. Let me cut this for y'all and show y'all something. Show y'all something. It's getting messy, but it's good. Well, y'all, it's been fun. And it's been nice eating with you. But I'm about to finish this and enjoy my juice. Oh, it's cute. That spiciness from that chicken sandwich. Well, if I can get my words out without strangling myself, it's been nice eating with you guys. And I'm so glad to be back and to be doing this channel again. It's been a while, but I'm back and I'm here to stay. Thank you so much for subscribing and liking and even commenting. Thank you everyone for the support. I look forward to seeing you guys again. Thank you so much.